Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. You know what, I better like the video there. You see how we're up until late? Please like the videos and of course subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Now with that said, trackies, let's start out for the semifinals. It's gonna be crazy. So first we're gonna take a look at the women's, 100 meter, semifinals, and of course we're gonna talk about the men's. So let's jump straight into it, trackies. So we have two semifinals that come up, trackies. Wow, 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 wow. In semifinal number one, I haven't looked at it yet, so this is the first time I'm going to look at it. In semifinal number one, we have Serena Cole, Kiara Grant, Sasha Lee Forbes, Shericka Jackson, Alana Reid, Ramona Burchell, Laneta Vade Thomas, Kevona Davis. Oh my gosh, trackies, when it comes to this race. But wait there, that means that everybody in the next race with Elaine. Lord have his mercy. Who set up the race here? Look here, I don't even know who is in the second heat, track is, and I can tell you right now, the second heat is the second semi is the semi of death. Oh my gosh. All right, let me talk about the first one. Clearly, this is a clear win for Shericka Jackson. In second place, I'm going to give it to Alana Reid. And I think I'm going to give Sasha Lee Forbes third. So track is three make it through, and then the two fastest finishers after those top three, based on times, will make it in. So three for me is Shericka, Alana, and Sasha Lee Forbes. Let me know what do you think about this first heat. As I said, it has Serena Cole, Kiara Grant, Sasha Lee Forbes, Shericka Jackson, Alana Reid, Ramona Burchell, and Lane Tavay Thomas and Kevona Davis. Those are my top three out of this. As it relates to the faster finishers time trackies, you know how it go. Whoever executes their best race on the day, hopefully they'll have a time fast enough for them to make it into the final. Now this is the race, trackies. This is a race, you know. Kemba Nelson in Heat 2, in semifinal 2. Kemba Nelson, Tina Clayton, Ashanti Moore, Natasha Morrison, Elaine Thompson-Herah, Janelle Smith, Brianna Williams, and Shakora Wallace. They fling everybody in a Elaine race. Look here, Elaine. If I want thing you know about them race at Elaine, they're going to sharpen you. You hear what me say, Elaine? They're going to sharpen you. Now, with that said, three people in this race. So my top three are Elaine, Natasha, Brianna. Those are my three. It doesn't matter the order at this particular point. Those are my top three. Right? As a matter of fact, the next two fastest times may come from this heat. This semi-final. You never know. But those are my three. So Elaine, Natasha, Brianna Williams. Track is, how do I sound in the comment section? Natasha has come out looking really good. I like it. Elaine is telling me that she has much more in the tank and she's just giving what is required each round. So that run that she did in the heats, she has more to give. Brianna Williams also has more to give. I caught her trying to ease down in that race, when Janelle pipped her. So I know she has more to give. But she can't try that. She can't try that tomorrow. She can't try that tomorrow. She's gonna have to run all guns out. This racetrack is though, what I will have to say is that everybody in this race is gonna have to put on them foot. I don't know what am I gonna have left for the finals. I don't know what they're gonna have left for the finals. And if Elaine is, still playing possum with us and she's, into 1080 shape, she may not have to put on her foot as much as the others. But let's see. But in this race, for sure, I believe that the athletes will have to put their feet down to make it through. I think the first semifinal is much more easier for the top three that I selected more than the second semifinal. But anyway, track is, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. How do you think this race is going to pan out? Of course, I'm going to upload this video tomorrow, I'm going to upload it tomorrow, which is Friday. It's for you all to see it in the morning. Not going to do it right now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one.